So looking good for a celebrity, it's true. We're blessed. It does come really, really easy. No, I'm kidding. It is hard work. You need to groom yourself. You need to look after yourself. You have to love yourself, and then I guess it shows back. So I think using a good range of products, which obviously Brylcreem offers, is key. So Brylcreem is one of the earliest men's grooming products, which I feel is pretty cool. So it has so much history, so much culture attached to it. 2018, obviously the world is way more polluted, and your skin, your hair, these things get damaged way more faster. So something which I do for hair care majorly is, I shampoo, I use conditioner. Besides that, it's very important I don't use any product that's too hard on my hair, especially because I'm shooting, there are lights on it. Quick fix for bad hair day. I think the Brylcreem wax is probably the best product you can use for that. It's really good for restyling. So if nature has styled your hair itself when you've woken up in the morning, you can actually use it, restyle your hair. Like suppose you're 3-4 hours out, you're in a meeting, then you got a date after that, it's too humid, or if it's not settling down, pop it on and that's my quick fix at the moment. So my favorite hairstyle, and this I would never get it right before I became an actor, but after I became an actor I really got into it, is the classic side parting. I love that hairstyle. I just feel it looks neat, it looks sharp, and you look very presentable. So when I started getting a beard, it was around the age of 15, 16. I wouldn't call it a beard, I would call it a stubble. The first time I grew it out properly was for Badlapur. The first thing I realized is that your beard can really get dry, if you don't do something about it. So that's why I think what Brylcreem offers is amazing. The beard oil, what I'm a fan of, honestly, which I use now and then. So actually smells pretty good, yeah. Soch Badla, Style Badla, I think what I'll say is, I think for our country especially, we've always suppressed the opposite sex. We've always, there are a lot of disparities, there are a lot of unequal opportunities. If we need to create an environment where there is equality, that has to start with Soch Badla, Style Badla. We have to make sure that if we are working with women, they feel safe, they feel respected. For me, that is stylish in any man. So boys, man up. Drinking till you drop, not cool. Arriving fashionably late, not cool. Doing a wheelie on a bike on Marine Drive or India Gate, really not cool.
Presenting the new Brylcreem grooming range for men's beard and hair.
A very cool thing, since we live in the digital world, is that the entire Brylcreem range you can order on Amazon. It'll be at your doorstep.